army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? See, all these both underline points give us a clue. Same number of columns and maximum number. So whenever such terms comes, we need to find HCF of 616 and 32. So the concept is we need to find HCF over here. Again, if you are confused whether you should use HCF or LCM, there is a small trick. So if there are terms like maximum number or highest, then you should use HCF. Or if there are terms like minimum or least, then you should use LCM. Okay. So if you don't get the exact logic of whether you should use HCF or LCM, or you are very confused or the terms are very confusing, just look for the terms like what is the maximum number or what is the highest possible value, all this. If such terms comes, just use HCF. If there are terms like minimum or least, you have to use LCM. So for this question, we need to use HCF. So let's find HCF. HCF of 616 and 32. Now you can find HCF using Euclid's division lemma or long division method. So first let me do by long division method so that it's easier. So 616 and 32. So 32 ones are 32, 9, 296, and next 32 into 9 is, so 32 into 9 is 320 minus 32, that is 288. So we are left with 8. Now because the remainder is not equal to 0, we have to perform the long division method again. Now this remainder will be divisor and this 32 will come over here. 8 4s are 32. So the HCF is nothing but 8. 8 is our HCF. So you can either find HCF in this long division method, or you can use Euclid's division lemma to find the HCF. Now because I wrote the steps, it's easier for me to write in Euclid's division lemma form. Now in Euclid's division lemma form, 616 is equal to 32 into 19 plus the remainder is 8. So 616 is equal to 32 into 19 plus remainder is 8. Now the next step is 32 is equal to 8 into 4 plus 0. Because the remainder is 0 here, this will be our HCF. So the HCF of 616 and 32 is 8. Again, let me just repeat. You can find HCF either in long division method or in Euclid's division lemma method, because the question did not specifically mention that you need to follow a certain method. So I just did both the methods. So whichever one is easier for you, you can do that. Now we got the HCF as 8. So that means these two groups have to march in can march in a maximum of 8 columns. So therefore the maximum number of columns in which the two groups can march is 8, such that the two groups have same number of columns. Okay. So our answer is 8. Again, the main concept here is whether you should use HCF or LCM. So once you know which one to use, you can easily solve the rest of the problem. That is a direct HCF concept. But just to know this, in case you are confused, just remember this small trick. You can easily do any problem involving HCF or LCM. Okay. I hope this is clear. In case you still have any doubts, please let me know. Thank you.